Hi, good evening. Uh, Today is November 4 here in California. It's 11:41 p.m. So I am Johan Javier Hizon, and I am doing this recording for the replacement of my lost SIM card, which is TM SIM card with number 0965-137-3399. So I'm authorizing my girlfriend of 7 years, Miss Maria Cristina Boquina, to uh, process the exchange of the SIM so that we can use it for my gcash purposes, because it's very useful as we use that for remittance purposes here in the States going to the Philippines. So if there's anything we need, or if there's anything you need from me, you can get in touch with her. Sana lang mapaitan yung SIM na 0965-137-3399, kasi may cash pa din na laman yun kahit pa paano. Thank you and good night.